Rolling backpack. Convertible wheeled backpack offers the load-carrying ability of a rolling bag with wheels and the portability of a school backpack. Large capacity. Main compartment holds 2 textbooks, lunch, plus a bunch of small items. Works well as carry-on underseat luggage. Measures 17 by 12 by 8.5 inches. Organize. Front pocket organizer has a key clip, pen holders, card slots, and an internal pocket for keeping small items safe. Includes 2 mesh side pockets for water bottles. Converts quickly. Pull out backpack straps in seconds when going upstairs or over rough ground. Straps easily tuck away in back pocket of roller backpack, no having to unzip. Adjustable handle. A single tube aluminum handle extends to 34 or 39 inches to be easily pulled by kids or adults. Suitcase handle stores nested in bag. Top reviews from the United States. Takes a ton of abuse and keeps on rolling. My 10-year-old fills this up with books and school supplies, stacks his lunchbox on top, and drags it around with him all day, 6 days a week, and it's still in one piece. I'm amazed at what great condition it's in and the amount of abuse it takes. It's one of the best buys I've made on Amazon. Love this rolling backpack, highly recommended.